Hey guys, this is a quick update from our store. We just got another extra parts for new Honda NT1100 Quickshifter, which is actually quite nice, and top box. And now we'll have a look what guys are doing here. So this is our black version Honda NT, and still with the original one. And this is Quickshifter. It's actually same part as a. It's actually same part as a Honda Africa Twin. Obviously, it's the same engine, but I think you can buy it for. I think it was 270 euros here. Anyway, I will put it to the comments on the video. And also we have here a top box. And extra part for top box is this goes, you know, every bike has a different color, so it's the black one, right, Choco? So we have it on this bike. We already have installed the Quickshifter on this grey. So you can see it here. Yeah, now this is gonna be final product. So Quickshifter and why actually to have a Quickshifter on this kind of bikes? It's just something I personally really enjoy, to have a Quickshifter on motorcycle. You can maybe tell me, do you have something on your bike as well? Because we have it. It comes original on the Ducati V2S here, and I really enjoy to use it. And sometimes it's very, very nice. So, by the way, this is our shop. All the bikes are for rent. As you can see, we have Africa 2017 Ducati Multistrada, new Honda 3500X, some V2S, Scrambler, Adventure Sport and NT. So let's have a quick sneak peek. Maybe we can ask Javier what is the procedure here?
Now you have to take the old part or the old shifter, and now we're going to place the quick shifter in. That is this device. That helps with even with the handling of the bike. I like it a lot because it makes everything easier and smoother when you are on the road touring or whatever. So now we are going to install it. First you install the part, and then you do all the checking on the bike.
How long it takes to install it usually?
Normally it's not too long, like half hour is done, something like that. So it's not a big thing to do. It takes more time, for example, to install the top box that we're going to do after too.
We need to also program it. I will record it as well, how to program. So let's have a look. Now we're gonna just put Jennifer will put this on the bike. And let's see what is the next step.
Start.
The cup holder, everything. Take this clamp off so we can place the cable through that. Bueno, que ya después lo vemos cuando estamos en la moto. So now once the quick shifter is installed, we need to let the bike know that it needs to work with it. So we place the jumper in the back of the harness of the bike. So we enter the maintenance mode. We go now through the menu and we will select the settings of the bike. Then we go move through the menu till we go to service on the bike. Then we select maintenance. ¿No era? O directamente
equipment.
We select the equipment and we ask to turn on the quick shifter. Once we do that, we go back again.
So we use this is a very nice video on YouTube. There's a guy explaining step by step how to actually install the Quickshifter. So
Albes Adventure.
How's the name?
Cool video.
Albes, yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. So this guy did a very nice job here. So
we are following his instructions. So now we go to the settings. settings again it was.
So we have already here. Nice.
And function,
Fun.
right?
Yep. Quickshifter. Yeah. Now the Quickshifter is off, so we will select also for up and down shifting. We move to the right each one.
Pero ¿cómo? Ah, aquí.
No, a la derecha. Aquí así simplemente. So we can select if it's
yeah.
going to be off, how much we need to press.
And you told me that you liked which settings?
The light one, because
Light.
the heavy is a little bit too heavy, and even the medium. So I feel it smoother on the light.
So
option.
we have both option.
Light, yes.
Yeah, light, up and down light.
Yes. So now we go back again. Calibrate all the stuff. We say to the bike, okay, we have now a quick shifter. We want it to run like on the smooth, I would say like the smooth mode. And now we're going to initialize it. So it's like pressing the on button on the quick shifter, but we need to do it here. So just go through it. Now just.
You need to start the bike.
Wait. So now just test ride.
Yes, of course. Perfect.
Nice.
Let's do a test try out.
So just test ride outside and it's done.